Got a very quick DIY here for barrel extenders, even barrel adapters for air cannons. Pretty much all you do is use a coupler and male and female threaded couplers too. The thing is about it is you can't use just a regular male and female, because once your projectile goes through either way, it's going to hit that threaded edge. So what you use is a coupler. This, I'm using 1-inch pipe. I'm making this easy so it'll easily break down for 1 inch. You can even use this for smaller to go inside of it, or even make it bigger. It's pretty much, you can take a coupler. This is a 1 inch to 1.5, and then this is your 1.25 inch, I mean 1.5 inch, I mean PVC female, and 1.5 inch male. But now on your coupler, I mean your adapter here, what the hell this thing's called, you got this little edge right here that needs to be removed. Kind of try to get a better light angle in there. So you use a knife on it. Oh, maybe not this one. Oh, here it is. You'd scrape that out. If you can kind of see in there. Use a knife or a Dremel. Little pocket knife works as well. The CRKT big knife is too big. A little cheap one. Okay. I got rid of most of that edge. Kind of see it's not as well shown as this one. You glue them in as deep as you can into the ends. Now on your barrel, you want to have one of them, depending on either one. Since, take for instance this one, I like to do a bigger end for it going this way. So your barrel in there, as far as it'll go, until it reaches like the edge. With that set, and your other half, you screw that in there as tight as it'll go. Take your other barrel and jam it down until it reaches the other barrel. Now you'll have a straight pass through for a projectile, or whatever you plan to shoot out of it. That's the beauty of the air cannon. Whatever fits, you can shoot. See you later.